Ignore what you know about RVs. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is a revolution on wheels, not simply a car. Here, the luxury of a five-star hotel coexists with the fierce DNA of a Ferrari. The exterior, which has a carbon fiber body, a Y-motif, and sharp lines, is a wonder of aggressive aerodynamics. Its hybrid V12 engine, which generates more than 1,000 horsepower, helps it cut through the air owing to its form. It's more than just a show. With its incredible acceleration and rapid torque, this RV with a hypercar's heart proves that luxury and speed can coexist. The driver's cockpit is a technological and performance symphony once you're inside. The driver is the only focus of the dashboard, which is a single, curved panel made of Alcantara and carbon fiber. A huge, curving OLED monitor in the middle serves as your command center, showing everything from navigation and speed to a 360-degree video view of your surroundings. Haptic touch controls and an AI voice assistant that can answer all of your commands have virtually taken the role of physical buttons. This is the control panel of a futuristic spacecraft, not simply a dash. The real elegance is on show in the living area. It has a simple design, straight lines, and an open, roomy layout. Italian leather and Alcantara upholstery adorn the skillfully stitched modular seats, which can be reconfigured to create a formal dining room or a comfortable lounge area. The panoramic roof's smart glass technology can quickly change from clear to opaque with a single touch, providing you with seclusion or a breathtaking view of the night sky. One tablet controls the whole interior, including the music system and temperature. A king-sized bed that seems to float, poised in space, is your haven. Soft Alcantara and ambient LED light strips that may change color to fit your mood are used to create the walls. With a built-in entertainment system, distinct storage spaces, and window blinds that automatically alter their position in response to the sun's rays, it's a peaceful haven. You may relax and rejuvenate here, away from the outer world. It's a haven in the spa-inspired bathroom. Marble-like composite materials for the walls and a smooth, transparent shower enclosure provide the impression of unending grandeur. The smart mirror has an integrated display that provides the weather and news, while the contemporary sink is a straightforward piece of art. No matter where you travel, you can always count on a refreshing experience thanks to the adjustable illumination and perfect water pressure. This is not how a camper's kitchen looks. With its motorized pop-out countertop and fully integrated equipment suite, the area is a culinary wonder. Simple panels deftly hide a built-in espresso machine, a small convection oven, and a hidden induction cooktop. Cooking is made easy and futuristic by the smart refrigerator that keeps everything you need and the main tablet that manages the entire kitchen.